Imagine you're standing on a desolate, rocky planet. The sky is a swirling, cosmic canvas of stars and nebulae. You turn to see a gleaming spaceship, its engines humming with anticipation. How does it defy gravity, break free from the planet's pull, and embark on its interstellar journey? Let's find out. Have you ever wondered how a spaceship, a vessel designed to traverse the vast expanse of space, actually gets off the ground? It's not as simple as turning a key and stepping on the gas. To understand how a spaceship starts, we need to delve into the fundamental principles of physics that govern its movement. One of the most crucial concepts is thrust. Thrust is the force that propels an object forward. In the case of a spaceship, it's generated by expelling matter at high speed. Rocket engines. The most common method of propulsion for spaceships is through rocket engines. These engines work on the principle of Newton's third law of motion, which states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. In a rocket engine, fuel and oxidizer are ignited, producing a high-pressure, high-temperature gas. This gas is then expelled out of the nozzle, creating a thrust force that propels the rocket forward. Types of rocket engines. There are several types of rocket engines, each with its own unique characteristics. Some of the most common include liquid propellant engines. These engines use liquid fuels and oxidizers, such as hydrogen and oxygen, that are stored in separate tanks. Solid propellant engines. These engines use solid propellants, which are premixed and packed into a solid block. Hybrid propellant engines. These engines combine liquid and solid propellants, offering a balance between the advantages of both types. Multi-stage rockets. To achieve the high speeds necessary for space travel, most rockets use a multi-stage design. This means that the rocket is divided into several stages, each of which is jettisoned once its fuel is depleted. This allows the remaining stages to carry less weight, increasing their efficiency. Launch vehicles. The rocket that launches a spacecraft into orbit is often referred to as a launch vehicle. Some of the most famous launch vehicles include the Saturn V, which was used for the Apollo missions to the Moon, and the Falcon 9, developed by SpaceX. Ignition and liftoff. The process of launching a spaceship begins with the ignition of its engines. As the engines generate thrust, the rocket gradually accelerates until it overcomes the Earth's gravity and enters orbit. This process typically takes several minutes. So, how does a spaceship start? It's a complex process that involves a combination of physics, engineering, and technology. By understanding the principles of thrust, rocket engines, and multi-stage design, we can appreciate the incredible feat of launching a spacecraft into the vastness of space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Remember, the universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored. So, keep looking up.